Hello guys, welcome back to channel. In this video I will show you how you can check your CIBIL score for free. So first open your browser and search CIBIL check. Open second website, which is paisabazaar.com. Now add your details. Credit report. You have to accept this terms and conditions. Now click on get free credit report. Now wait. Now here add your name and email address. Click on this icon and click on get free credit report. And that's it. Here is my credit card score 739. You can also check your Experian score. Mine is 806. So this is how you can check your credit card score for free. Thank you for watching.